Hello, it's the 2018 season of being at the camp. Our camp is totally off-grid, and it runs on less power than most camps you see. We only use a car battery. This is the control panel. Nothing fancy, and it tells you everything you need. This is an old Wallace Gromit clock, and probably none of you were wondering why this was my icon, but this is it, the control panel. And right now it's 10:30 in the morning, and this is the temperature of the water tank. We're at 100 degrees. By noon it'll be 127 degrees, so the system really works nice. Below that we have one LED that flashes about every 10 seconds. That shows that the system is on, and if the refrigerator is higher than normal, it'll flash how many degrees above normal it is. It's good to see in the morning, or if during the day you see a lot of flashing, you know there's a problem. Afterwards there's a long flash, and that indicates that the battery isn't fully up to charge, and there's up to 3 flashes after that, which indicate the level, how deep it is. But right here we have a yellow. The yellow indicates diversion. Diversion is when we're sending power from the solar panels. It's excess. We're sending it off to heat water. Above that is a green LED. I have a second second battery, and that indicates that it's connected to the system and being charged. It's not a primary concern, so it's only when we're up to voltage on the battery that it starts sending the charge to a second battery. That's to keep my boat battery fresh. I haven't had the boat in the water for a couple years. Hope to have it this year, but it's a nearly dead battery, and I just use it for house lights. I have a medical device, and I want the refrigerator to start as early in the morning as possible. It only runs during the sun, and so that's why we have a second battery just for the house. It suits our needs. We don't watch much other than 1 hour of TV at night. And above that is the refrigerator. It's a blue LED, and that flashes when the refrigerator is on. It tells you how many minutes it's going to continue to run, and if the refrigerator is off, it tells you how many minutes of inhibit there are before the refrigerator can turn on again. Our system prevents any kind of hot starts. But this is my icon that probably no one has wondered why I have it, other than it was cute. It's something that's not intimidating to my wife, and it's all you really need. I can get any kind of information out of the microprocessor system I want. But if the beer's cold and the milk doesn't stink, hey, everything's running, who cares? So that's my system. It's simple, it's real DIY. Everything we have we build. I don't have any commercial charge controllers. All the diversion is my own design. So we're going to have a lot of projects. This is where we actually fully test any of these theoretical designs I have that I put up in the winter. So subscribe if you're interested in real DIY, and thanks for watching.